All right, guys, here we are. Update number 2 for Norseman beard products. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, and gear reviews, then you've come to the right place. Today is update number 2 for Norseman beard products and year of the beard. Not familiar with what year of the beard is? Check out this card up top. It's a playlist of all the videos. Each company gets their own month. There's 12 companies. Each company gets their own month of their products only going in this beard. So this month is Norseman beard products. So what we're going to talk about today are the products that I've used for the last week. Now, we're going to talk about an oil, a butter, and a wash. So first we're going to talk about the wash. Now, Norseman has a wash. It is a beard co-wash. It is a medium wash and conditioner. This is the 4 ounce. It also comes in an 8 ounce container. It is $15 for the 4 ounce. Give it a good shake. It's in the blue plastic bottle with the pop top. And your label, let's go around the front. You've got the logo and what it is. Down here you've got the ingredients, and that's it. So very simple label for this wash. Really nice label. I really like Terry's labels. And let's see, it's just kind of I get kind of a eucalyptus. I'm not 100% sure what the scent is. It's kind of an unscented, but you just get that clean scent. It smells really good in the shower. This lathers up very, very well. Now with a beard this length, I use anywhere from a nickel to a quarter size, and it lathers up really well. It's not super stripping wash. It's more of a conditioning wash, and it does amazing. Pretty sure Terry said that he uses this every single day. I've been using it about every other day, and I've mixed it up some. I'll lather it up really good. I'll bathe and then I'll rinse it out, or I'll lather it up really good and then I'll rinse it out, and I get the same effect either way. It makes my beard really soft, and it has done really well for my beard. So really good product over there at Norseman by way of co-wash and beard wash. All right, so this week I've been using Thor's blend on oil and butter. So let's talk about this. Thor's blend is cherry tobacco and rum. Give it a little shake. It's kind of a yellow color. And again, that thick oil. It is so good. Ingredients, I've said them already, but ingredients, all 100% organic cold pressed sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil. And by way of scent, it's that cherry tobacco and rum. In bottle, that rum kind of is leading the way with a little bit of that cherry, that little sweetness of that cherry coming in. And when you warm it up, it's just, to me, I like this scent. It's a really subtle scent. It's not something that's crazy. It's not, the scent duration is probably 6-7 hours, nothing crazy, but again, it's a really subtle scent, and it's just really clean and good and a crisp scent. It's not super loud. You're not gonna disturb anybody in an elevator or in a car with you or anything like that. It's just a smooth blend, and it smells really good. Now this oil, just like the other oils, absorb in really well. They leave a little bit of a shine, but they absorb really well. And again, that castor oil, it does a really good job with my beard. My beard loves the castor oil and the thick oils. So now the butter, this one is the 2 ounce. He does also have them in 4 ounce. This one is ingredients on the butter: 100% natural organic shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, arrowroot, and beeswax. And again, look at that butter. Watch this right here. Ready? Just smooth, creamy goodness. Oh, we got some on the side. I don't need to waste none of it. And that right there, and then it just breaks down. Look at that. Just smooth. And this butter smells exactly like the oil. You warm this up, you get that rum, you get that sweetness of that cherry. Oh, it smells so good. Get this rubbed in. And then rub it in my hands, and no greasy, just really hydrated hands. I rub this on my arms and I'm good to go. So price on Thor's blend. Price on this. In the oil, $14 for the oil. Let me go to my cheat sheet. $14 for the oil. The 2-ounce butter, $16. So total, you're looking at $30. Or you can go over and click on combos on the website and you can get this combo for $27. But I got you one better. For the month of March, you can save 25% from Norseman by using promo code YOTB25. That will save you 25%. So $27, and then you take 25% off of that. That's a steal. You're pretty much stealing it from Terry. I mean, yeah, you're just taking it from him. He was generous enough to give us that promo code of 25% off for the month of March. It's not going to go past March. The last day of March is going to be the last day to use that promo code. So if you're curious and interested about Norseman, now's your chance. 25% off anything on the website. So YOTB25. This week, Thor's blend. Next week, who knows? If you didn't see that unboxing, there's a card up top. You can go check out that unboxing. We still got plenty more of the month ahead, plenty more products to use. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you enjoyed it, just hit that thumbs up button. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.